And for the first time in 600 years, a pope is stepping down. Citing his age and health, Pope Benedict will leave his post at the end of the month. 10 News reporter Vanessa Van Hefty spoke with local clergy who say the pope is doing the right thing.
And then he'll stay in Rome.
Homeless advocate and longtime San Diego icon, Father Joe Carroll, was in St. Peter's courtyard in 2005 for Pope Benedict's election.
I was on the altar when he got installed. See the smoke come up and see a million people show up. It was amazing.
Father Carroll says the pontiff did the right thing, stepping down after his short 8-year tenure.
He did not agree with John Paul staying on as long as he did. And the image of the church conveyed was almost like a dying church.
Across town, Bishop Robert Brahm, who also personally knew the 85-year-old Pope, agreed, saying it was clear the pontiff has been getting weaker in recent months.
Bishops who have seen him recently have said, the man looks exhausted.
Meantime, San Diego Catholics leaving Mass today were caught off guard by the news, but
And Father Carroll told me he believes the new pope will be from Mexico or possibly from South America. That's his prediction. Meantime, the Vatican hopes the new leader will be selected in time for Easter services. Vanessa Van Hefty, 10 News.